talagang panawagan ho namin, buksan po ito. No? Kumbaga, it doesn't need yung pong sinasabing exceptions doon po sa code po ng BIR para mabuksan po ito pong box po na ito. Sapat-sapat na yung pong kapangyarihan ng Senate Impeachment Court para buksan po ito pong BIR box.
Sir,
Mula 2022 pataas. Pero may sinasabi kayong from 2007, sir? Ano yun, sir?
Tama yan kasi like what I stated yesterday, you cannot reach 88.5 million in 2024 without actually understanding yung pong pinagsimulan po ng 88.5 million ng 2024. So, yung pong mga relevant documents, even previous 2022, and for SALN, it is 2007, which is the start of our public service, would provide us a picture as to yung pong kita niya bilang public official, yung pong mga kayamanan po niya, particularly assets, no, na nakuha over the course of these years, at yung pong mga utang na talaga pong nakasalang, no, doon sa kanya pong SALNs. And more importantly, we would see a pattern there, particularly kung ano po yung mga hindi dinidisclose ng mga pag-aari. And like what we had previously stated, there are new evidence, no, relating to that. No? So, dalawang two-pronged yung pong impact nito pong mga bagay nito. So, a look at the financial picture and a look as to whether there are particular line items that had been omitted from the SALN of the Vice President. So, ano yun, as an example, yung cash declarations, and secondly, yung pong firearms declarations na specific to the SALN law, kailangan pong meron disclosure.
So what happens if the defense insists na dapat ang gamiting documents ay 2022 onwards lang?
Well, then they can insist all they want. But that is our evidence. So it is up for the Senate Impeachment Court to appreciate this particular type of evidence that we have.
Sir, pero as a refresher lang, bakit ba hindi pa siya mabuksan-buksan? As a refresher lang naman.
Nung pong nakaraang House Justice Proceedings po kasi, meron po concern yung BIR. Ang sinasabi po nila, kailangan daw po this is through a legislative inquiry, and secondly, kailangan po in executive session. Ang posisyon po ng ilang sa mga miyembro po ng komite, this is not a legislative inquiry. This is an entirely separate work of Congress, which is impeachment proceedings. No? So, kung yun po yung posisyon ng BIR, hindi na po talaga mabubuksan dito. Hindi ba? Pero ang posisyon ng iba, the subpoena is on the BIR to actually produce the document. So, ibig sabihin, that particular provision doesn't actually apply to the impeachment proceedings at the House. And logically, when we reach the Senate, it also doesn't apply to the Senate Impeachment Court, which is why talagang panawagan ho namin, buksan po ito. No? Kumbaga, it doesn't need yung pong sinasabing exceptions doon po sa code po ng BIR para mabuksan po ito pong box po na ito. Sapat-sapat na yung pong kapangyarihan ng Senate Impeachment Court para buksan po ito pong BIR box.
Sir, si Mary Grace Piatos po, Congressman Chua Confirm